Hi guys, let's start with chicken Afghani gravy. We need a few pieces of cashew, almonds, and green chilies. We'll make a paste out of this, and I'm also adding curd to this mix and just grind it into a smooth paste. Once that is done, we've taken half kg of chicken with bones. It's I take chicken with bones for gravies or curries that I make. Now after that we are gonna add this mix to it. So we are making some slits on the chicken pieces so that the marinade goes well inside of it. So as you can see, I have almost I did slit all the pieces, and the spiciness of your gravy can be adjusted by increasing or reducing the quantity of green chilies. Now I've added the mix that I made, curd, and I am adding uh, some fresh cream into it, and I'll also add ginger garlic paste and black pepper powder and garam masala and salt to taste. And you guys can adjust salt later on also when making the gravy, but it's good to have it in the marinade itself. Now we're gonna give this all a good mix. So now next step that I'm going to show you guys is one of the most important step of this recipe. What I have done is I have kept a coal piece on gas on fire, and I've kind of heated that up, and once the coal is lit I'm gonna use that in my next step to give a good marinade. You can see how creamy this entire marinade is, and that's how gravy is gonna be like. So I've put the hot coal piece, I'm just putting some oil onto it, and I will cover and marinate this for 1 hour. So this is gonna bring the smoky flavor to the dish, and the nuts that we've added is gonna add a very rich flavor to the dish. Now I'm heating a pan, and I have added butter and oil. I'm gonna add. So the reason I add a little bit oil while when I heat up butter is because once butter gets too heated, then it turns out to be brown, like it becomes brown or blackish. So that's why you should put like little bit of oil so that it does not become like that. Now we're gonna fry all the chicken pieces into this. So I'm just adding the pieces one by one and let that marinade be aside. So you don't have to add all the marinade, just add the pieces right now. And we will fry it until it is golden or slightly light brown from one side. So you don't have to cook this too much. You just have to make sure it is like it has that coating, the golden coating or the brown coating onto it. And I did it like for like 5 minutes on each side. And since I had more chicken pieces left, I've done this in batches, so you can do it accordingly if you have a bigger pan. Good for you guys. So as you can see, this is how much you gotta fry this up. And now I'm removing these chicken pieces, and I'll keep these aside. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. Let me know in the comments how you are liking the videos, and also you can tell me what kind of videos would you like to watch more, so I will create content accordingly. So if you see that little bit of masala that's stuck onto the pan, I'm not going to remove it, I'm going to let that be, and then I'll add the remaining marinade that is left, and we'll just mix this up and we'll let it cook for some time. So once the masala gets cooked, or it starts to get little, it will get a little bubble, it will bubble up a bit. So that's when we are going to add all our chicken pieces. As you can see now, it is bubbling up. So now I am adding all my chicken pieces, and as I told you guys that this chicken is not completely cooked, so we gotta cook it now in this gravy. And please be careful of the heat that's there on the pan, because it starts to splatter. So yeah, so we've added all the chicken pieces, and now we'll cover this and cook till the time chicken gets tender. It will not take more than 15 minutes because it's already slightly cooked out there. Like we've already cooked it before. So yeah. Now just cover this up and let it cook on low flame. And now you can see this is done, and you can see how yummy this looks. It's a very rich and very creamy gravy, and it's gonna, if you like spicy food, or if you like white gravies, you will definitely enjoy it because it has a smoky flavor to it. So please give it this recipe a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed my video, and stay tuned to my channel to see more such recipes. Goodbye guys, take care.